The Litter Robot 4 is equipped with OmniSense detection that utilizes laser and weight sensor technology to provide real-time litter and waste drawer levels. During each cycle, the unit will measure the waste drawer capacity and check if the waste drawer is full. The waste drawer level will be displayed on the Whisker app. If your waste drawer level on the app is not accurately representing the level in the waste drawer, please follow these troubleshooting steps. Emptying the waste drawer when indicated is important to ensure that your litter robot continues to automatically cycle. You'll want to ensure that the waste drawer is empty and you have the new waste drawer liner. To install a new waste drawer liner, you'll need to remove the drawer from the litter robot. To remove the drawer, simply grab the step and slide the drawer out until it's clear of the unit. Now, take your new waste drawer liner and open it all the way. Wrap the edges of the waste drawer liner or bag over the rim of the waste drawer. Stretched bags, or bags not pressed flat, will cause the OmniSense detection to inaccurately measure the waste drawer level. Ensure the bag is pushed flat against the side walls and bottom of the drawer. Finally, push the drawer back into the unit. Press the reset button to zero the weight sensors. Short press the cycle button to run a clean cycle. After your litter robot cycles, it should return to the home position, displaying a solid blue light. Check your app to ensure that the waste drawer level displayed is accurate. If the waste drawer level in the app is still not accurate, we'll need to further inspect your unit for next steps. Let's take a closer look at the 3 laser sensors, called curtain sensors, located in the bezel. Debris such as dust or cat fur can interfere with the operation of these sensors. This can cause the unit to inaccurately measure the waste drawer level and litter level, as well as falsely detecting a cat. Wipe the bezel area where the sensors are located with a dry, clean cloth to remove debris such as hair or dust. Vacuum the inside perimeter of the bezel where the curtain sensors are located. You may need to clean the sensors with a cotton swab. Now, let's run a test cycle. Short press the reset button, then short press the cycle button to run a clean cycle. Check your app to ensure that the waste drawer level displayed is accurate. If the waste drawer level in the app is still not accurate, we'll need to further inspect your unit for next steps. Let's check for any additional debris or foreign objects that may interfere with the sensors during the cycle. First, we will remove the bonnet and globe to look for any issues. Make sure the unit is in the home position. Press the power button to turn the unit off, then unplug the unit from the wall. If you have a fence installed, remove this from the bezel. To open the bonnet, press and hold the latches on both sides of the bonnet, then lift and rotate the bonnet to its open position. Note, you typically need to remove the bonnet completely only during deep cleaning or bonnet replacement. To remove the globe, grab the black handle located on top of the globe and lift the globe off the base. Lift the globe up and away from the base and place it on the ground nearby. This will provide access to the base unit. Cat fur can get stuck in the seal strip located at the lower front of the globe. When the globe rotates, fur can interfere with the curtain sensors. Ensure the seal strips on the inside of the globe are not peeling up or have any debris stuck in them. Now that we've checked for any obstructions, let's reinstall the globe and bonnet and check for proper operation of the unit. To install the globe, hold the globe by the black handle and set it into the base. Keep the globe handle and waste port oriented toward the top to ensure the globe is close to the home position. The large black gear on the rear of the globe should easily engage with the smaller white drive gear in the base. If the bonnet was completely removed, rotate the bonnet upward and align the hinge feature of the bonnet at the back of the base. You should hear the latches snap into place. Check to make sure the center tab at the top of the bonnet is secured in its pocket by pushing down on the bonnet at the tab location. Reinstall the fence by snapping it onto the bezel at the globe entrance. Plug the unit in and power it on. The litter robot will then perform a clean cycle and return to the home position with the blue light on. Next, you'll need to make sure your firmware is up to date. Whisker has the ability to provide updated firmware to your robot with fixes to correct known issues with the unit. We recommend that you always keep your litter robot's firmware updated to ensure the best possible operation. Note, in order to update your firmware via the app, your robot must already be onboarded to the Whisker app. For help with onboarding, please watch our Litter Robot 4 Getting Started guide. In the Whisker app, select your Litter Robot 4 unit from the dashboard. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. On the robot settings screen, tap on Firmware Information. On the information page, tap Update Firmware to begin the update process. If you don't see the option, then you already have the latest firmware update. This may take up to 30 minutes to complete. You will see a single white light blinking on your unit's control panel while your robot's firmware is updating. Try to keep your cat out of the unit during the update, since your cat may not be detected by the sensors during the update period. Once the update is complete, your litter robot should be ready for use. Before you check the waste drawer level on the app to ensure it's accurately representing the level in the waste drawer, press the Reset button, then press the Cycle button to start a clean cycle. Check your app to ensure that the waste drawer level displayed is accurate. If the waste drawer level in the app is still not accurate, we'll need to further inspect your unit for next steps. Occasionally, the Drawer Full Indicator, or DFI sensor, will require a recalibration to ensure proper measurement accuracy. Remove the waste drawer liner and wipe the drawer clean of debris. Add a piece of plain white paper to the bottom of the drawer, for example, a half sheet of printer paper. The purpose of the white paper is to provide a reflective surface for the DFI lasers. Make sure the paper is plain white and does not have a pattern. Also make sure that it will lay flat on the bottom of the drawer. Insert the waste drawer again. Do not add a waste drawer liner yet. Next, press the power button to turn the Litter Robot 4 off. Do not unplug the unit. Wait at least 5 seconds before beginning the following button press sequence. Press the control panel buttons one at a time in this order: Connect, Reset, Connect, Empty, Cycle. Make sure that you press each button within 5 seconds of the previous button press. If the control panel buttons are incorrectly pressed, the unit will remain off. Wait 5 seconds and repeat the previous step again. If correctly pressed, the unit will perform a lamp test. That means the LED display will illuminate red, green, and blue lights. Then it will begin to cycle to the dump position, illuminating a round robin green light. This will allow the DFI lasers to see the white paper at the bottom of the drawer when the waste port is positioned over the waste drawer. During calibration, the LED display will illuminate a solid yellow light with a flashing green light. If the calibration is successful, the LED display will illuminate a solid yellow light with a flashing blue light for 5 seconds. Then the unit will cycle to home. You can now remove the white paper from the waste drawer, add a new waste drawer liner, and resume use. Tip: for optimal DFI laser accuracy, you can leave the white paper in the bottom of the drawer, always under the drawer liner. If the calibration fails, the LED display will illuminate a solid yellow light with a flashing red light for 5 seconds. Then the unit will cycle home. If this happens, there's likely an issue with your litter robot. Please contact our customer experience team for additional assistance at whiskersupport.com. If the calibration is successful, you'll want to open the Whisker app. Check your app to ensure that the waste drawer level displayed is accurate. If the waste drawer level in the app is still not accurate, there's likely an issue with your litter robot. Contact our customer experience team for additional assistance at whiskersupport.com.